Work equipment includes handheld tools, whether powered or not. These tools need to be correct for the task, well maintained, and properly used by trained people. There are five basic safety rules that can help to prevent hazards associated with the use of handheld tools. And it can be said a pre-task planning. Number one, keep all tools in good condition with regular maintenance. Number two, use the right tool for the job. Number three, examine each tool for damage before use and don't use damaged tools. Number four, use tools according to the manufacturer's instructions and recommendations. And number five, provide and use properly the right personal protective equipment. And don't give into complacency. It is safety's worst enemy. Maintain your vigilance by asking what will happen if the safety instructions will not followed. Dear friends and fellows, today we are going to discuss the use of non-powered tools, the non-powered tools, hazards and control measures. I'm your host, Javed, and you are watching Safety First. As usual, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and if you find the video informative, then like, comment, and share. Dear friends and fellows, do you know the different types of non-powered hand tools? For example, hammer, chisel, wrenches, hand saws, knives, scissors, plier, cable cutter, screwdriver, and files, etc. These are the examples of non-powered hand tools. Let us discuss the hazards. Those are related to non-powered hand tools. Hazards can be created from the misuse or poor maintenance of non-powered hand tools. Broken handles on files, chisels, screwdrivers, and hammers, which can cause cut hands or hammerheads to fly off. Incorrect use of knives, saws, and chisel, with hands getting injured in the path of the cutting edge. Tools that slip, causing step wounds. Poor quality, uncomfortable handles that damage hands. Splayed spanners that slip and damage hands or faces. Chipped or loose hammerheads that fly off or slip. Incorrectly sharpened or blunt chisels or scissors that slip and cut hands. Dull tools can cause more hazards than sharp ones. Cracked saw blades must be removed from service. Flying particles that damage eyes from breaking up stone or concrete. Electrocution or burns by using incorrect or damaged tools for electrical work. Use of poorly insulated tools for hot work in the catering or food industry. Use of pipes or similar equipment as extension handles for a spanner which is likely to slip, causing hand or face injury. Mushroomed headed chisels or drifts which can damage hands or cause hammers, not suitable for chisels, and mallets to slip. Use of spark producing or percussion tools in flammable atmospheres. Painful wrists and arms from the frequent twisting on using screwdrivers that can lead to upper limb disorders. When using saw blades, knives, or other tools, they should be directed away from aisle areas and away from other people working in close proximity. This is a generic list of hazards that is related to non-powered hand tools. Dear friends and fellows, you are watching Safety First, and today's topic is non-powered hand tools. What are the hazards and what are the safety precautions? After discussing several hazards, now we are going to discuss the safety consideration. Those are related to non-powered hand tools. Number one, suitability. All tools should be suitable for the purpose and location in which they are to be used. Using the correct tool for the job is the first step in safe hand tool use. Tools are designed for specific needs. That's why screwdrivers have various lengths and tip styles, and pliers have different head shapes. Using any tool inappropriately is a step in the wrong direction. To avoid personal injury and tool damage, select the proper tool to do the job well and safely. High quality professional hand tools will last many years if they are taken care of and treated with respect. Manufacturers design tools for specific applications and use tools only for their intended purpose. Suitability of non-powered hand tools will include specially protected and insulated tools for electricians, non-sparking tools for flammable atmospheres, and the use of non-percussion tools and cold cutting methods. Tools made of suitable quality materials which will not chip or splay in normal use. The correct tool for the job. For example, using the right size spanner and the use of mallets, not hammers on chisel heads. The wooden handles of tools must not be splintered. Safety knives with enclosed blades for regular cutting operations. Impact tools such as drift pins, wedges, and cold chisels being kept free of mushroomed heads. Spanners not being used when jaws are sprung to the point that slippage occurs. After the suitability of tools, second important element with regards to non-powered hand tools, safety consideration is inspection. All tools should be maintained in a safe and proper condition. This can be achieved through the regular inspection of hand tools, discarding or prompt repair of defective tools, taking time to keep tools in the proper condition and ready for use, proper storage to prevent damage and corrosion, and locking tools away when not in use to prevent them being used by unauthorized people. Third most important element is training. All users of non-powered hand tools should be properly trained in their use. This may well have been done through apprenticeships and similar trainings. This will be particularly important with specialist working conditions or work involving young people. Always wear approved eye protection when using hand tools, particularly when percussion tools are being used. Metal and wood particles will fly out when the material is cut or planed. So other workers in the vicinity should wear eye protection as well. After discussing the suitability, inspection, and training, number four, safety consideration is use of well-designed high-quality tools. Finally, investing in high-quality tools makes the professional's job safer and easier. If extra leverage is needed, use high leverage pliers which give more cutting and gripping power than standard pliers. This helps in particular when making repetitive cuts or twisting numerous wire pairs. Serrated jaws provide show gripping action when pulling or twisting wires. Some side cutting and diagonal cutting pliers are designed for heavy duty cutting. When cutting screws, nails, and hardened wires, only use pliers that are recommended for that use. Pliers with hard riveting at the joint ensure smooth movement across the full action range of the pliers, which reduces handle wobble, resulting in a positive cut. The knives align perfectly every time. Induction hardening on the cutting knives adds to long life, so the pliers cut cleanly day after day. Sharp cutting knives and tempered handles also contribute to cutting ease. Some pliers are designed to perform special functions. For example, some high leverage pliers have features that allow crimping connectors and pulling fish tapes. Tool handles with dual molded material allow for a softer, more comfortable grip on the outer surface and a harder, more durable grip on the inner surface and handle ends. Well-designed tools often include a contoured thumb area for a firmer grip or color-coded handles for easy tool identification. Insulated tools reduce the chance of injury where the tool may make contact with an energized source. And always remember, well-designed tools are a pleasure to use. They save time, give professional results, and help to do the job more easily, safely, effectively, and efficiently. And that's it. Training session related to non-powered hand tool safety is over now. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. Hope to see you soon with a new HSC tutorial. Till then, take care, good luck, and Allah Hafiz.